Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do unboxing of the new phone which I just got. It's the Oppo Realme Silver Edition, just newly being launched. So first I'll open this. Okay, I have done this a number of times. So I'm gonna bill. This bill is here. Let me just keep this aside. Okay, moving on. Okay, so they have given me another packaged box here for this. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाते हैं. Let's quickly open this as well. गाइस, ये मैंने Amazon प्राइम की क्विक डिलीवरी से मंगाया था. रात को ऑर्डर किया है 11 बजे के आसपास, और फिर मेरे को सुबह 9 o'clock के आसपास डिलीवर हो गया है. सो वेरी क्विक डिलीवरी बाय Amazon. थैंक्स फॉर being on their services. Okay, here it goes. As the box red shows, it says Realme1. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How does it look, guys? I hope you also like it. पैकेज में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Realme1 says MRP Realme1. Okay, here's a Volt 64GB 4GB. So this is the limited edition silver one, which is just being launched by Oppo. So this is my first Oppo phone and I'm gonna unbox it now. Hope you guys like it. Okay, so okay. Looks good. लगता है अच्छा होगा. Looks good, guys. Look, till now, so far so better. Okay, so it says so box. I think मैंने पूरी तरह खोल दिया इसको. थोड़ी सी सील रह गई थी. Here we go. काफी पक्का बॉक्स है. मेरे को आज तक किसी फोन के को अनबॉक्स करने में इतना टाइम नहीं लगा जितना इसको लग रहा है. So I've got this in discount, around 2000 rupees. इसका MRP जो दिखा है. Okay, finally guys, sorry for the wait. Here we go. Okay, so starting with this comes with this. This is a manual, I guess. देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या है. So this manual should have something or the other. Okay, they have given this. Cool. This is nice. So we have a cover plus user manual and a nice silicone cover as promised by the company. So let's see how it is. What's there more? So cool. So I've got this. Okay, phone is here. Silver, as told you, this is the new phone. I'm gonna use it for a while. So I'll come to it after some time. अभी देखते हैं what else inside the box. Okay, so oh, pretty big charger. Oppo. It says it's 2 amperes charger. Okay, and they've given a cable which is the universal Android cable, not the C-type cable. Please note, latest edition is C-type. They should have given C-type as well, but they have restricted it. Maybe some cost-cutting issues. So perhaps let me pick the phone first again. So here we go, guys. Premium slim, quite good wrapped up and everything. Looks good as well. Okay, so I think so it's like cool. Nice wrapping by Oppo. Okay, so here's the phone in my hand. Guys, this looks really shiny. I don't know आपके लोगों को कैसे दिख रहा है. Designed by Oppo. Available in India. Okay, this is good. This is good looking phone. काफी premium, looks very premium. The silver at the back is like good finished, like a mirror almost. I can see a bit of me as well. Sides, volume rockers, the power button, and then there is volume rockers in this one is on the left side. On the left side is there, and quite slim, thin phone. Okay, so I'll use it. I'll recommend that, that hope this cover is also good, which fixes in well. So because I think this surface at the back is very shiny. Okay, now it's smooth. There's no dual camera in this phone, as all the latest phones have these days. आपके सामने giving it quite glimpse. So I'm gonna do the first start, put in my SIM card, memory card, and other stuff, and I'll be back. Yeah. Ta-ta! Oppo Realme1 Silver Edition, 64 GB. So I'm planning to do the first start. This one. Okay, there it goes. Realme, powered by Android. Oppo. So I heard the processor in this phone is real good. It's real fast, quirky, latest, giving me multiple options to choose the languages. Okay, so I will done that. I'll connect. So I think I've quite big in size, like Samsung's phone, but the chrome quality in the left is not that. Okay, says join user experience. Okay, I'll say I've read, and okay, I'll continue. So okay, guys, I'll give you the full review of this phone as well after using it. For now, I'm just showing you how it boots, and I am gonna take you to the main screen, show you the camera a bit, and for now, yeah. But it's quite like it's lengthy though, but it's not. It's simple to carry because the width, they have decreased the width of the phone nowadays. Could not connect to the internet. Could be some okay. So seems to be some problem with the internet connection. Sometimes happen, the modem does not connect, Anyways, it will sooner or later. The battery is like almost looks like 60% charged. Cool. Awaiting for the start, I think. But I'm telling you, this backside is really glossy. You know, it's like glass. Okay, let be. So iOS मुझे I would have to give it a different Bluetooth or some. So let's connect with this. It says Oppo secure code. Done. Done. Checking for updates. This may take a minute or two. So I've connected with a different Wi-Fi now. Sign in. Skip. More. Agreed. Okay. Face passcode. Let's see if this can. Lock passcode is required every time you start your phone. You won't be able to unlock the phone if you have forgotten your passcode. Face can be used for unlocking. Okay. Skip for now. Cool. Intelligent selection of Wi-Fi connects to best Wi-Fi network. Okay. Automatic switch user when Wi-Fi connection is poor. Great. This is a very required feature. Auto update night. Okay, this is also a good feature. Import data from old phone. So I have to do that. Clone read. Okay. So I have to do that.